amigos, ¿cómo estás? Today I'm going to do a quick review of 2012 Infiniti G25X or Extra. Today is a sad day for me because I had this vehicle for 8 years and I decided to sell it. Goodbye Infiniti, bye bye. This car was made in Japan with V6 2.5-liter engine. It's capable of reaching 118 horsepower and a torque of 187, which is like a big snail, in my opinion. It comes standard with these nice 17-inch wheels. The X actually stands for all-wheel drive, which is pretty handy in winter. It has dual exhaust, which is not that common anymore because manufacturers just cheap out. This is the interior of the car from the driver's side and from the passenger side. It's actually quite comfortable. The steering wheel automatically adjusts to your sitting position as you please. It has audio controls on the left and cruise controls on the right. Standard powered mirrors and windows with two positions for programmable seats. Center console consists of a screen, a nice clock, audio controls, and climate controls. Seats are heated and comfortable. It also has the snow button, which basically decreases the acceleration. To be honest, it's not working very good. The car slides quite a bit in winter compared to the other cars that I have that are all-wheel drive. It's not the greatest. The back seats are also comfortable and roomy. Overall, this is a good car. Great car actually for everyday driving. Is it a performance car? Definitely not. But to get you from point A to point B, it's more than nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. Shift gears and cheers.